Welcome to Riverside Insights Gifted Coordinator Toolkit for multiple pathways and differentiated services. I'm Monica Simons, and you are here. Welcome to the video overview of this module. Why do we need to discuss multiple pathways of identification and differentiated services? Not all students are the same, but many gifted services are provided in a one-size-fits-all model. We would not presume that same sort of model for other students with special student services needs. The instructional implications include aligning the instructional intervention with instructional need, reducing attrition in gifted services, and propelling student growth. Let's dive into the guiding questions. The first thing you will do is work through what services you currently have in place, if any, and why those services have been selected. Start with any requirements for gifted services, whether they be at the state level or the local level. What is required of you? What are those parameters? And what is our identification model for gifted? What data are we currently using? And are we using localized norming practices? And if so, how? What is our model at elementary and at secondary? And when you are thinking through these models, think about the frequency. How often do they go? The duration, how long do they last? And the intensity, what is the level of rigor in these services? If all of your students who qualify for gifted services receive the same treatment or intervention, in other words, if it is one size fits all, then this is an opportunity for you to rethink that service model. Providing services that are matched to student need increases the fidelity of the services and the efficacy of them. All of that leads to student growth. While you are thinking through what model to use, it is important to think about what training must be provided and to whom. Using multiple indicators and data points is a must when looking for students who need gifted services. It is also crucial that the strategies are aligned to the needs of the students. Some of the high-yield strategies include using the depth and complexity framework and icons, acceleration, curriculum compacting, and problem or inquiry-based instruction. When you decide to use differentiated services, differentiate based on frequency, intensity, and/or duration. Dive further into this research. We hope this orientation video for the Gifted Coordinator Toolkit, Multiple Pathways and Differentiated Services has been helpful. Let's continue the conversation and learn together.